Welcome to segment 4 of the CED Virtual Plant Tour, CNC Machining. With all the design and engineering support CED offers, it might be easy to forget for a moment about the mainstay advantage we offer: expansive, state-of-the-art CNC machining technology for virtually every size project and need. CED is committed to continually investing in the most advanced, high-end technology and in hiring and training the most skilled machining professionals. Our impressive machining floor is home to a fleet of advanced CNC machines from Mazak, HAAS, Protract, and more. The stars of our fleet include multiple 5-axis lathe turning and milling stations with automated tool gantries, multiple variable 5-axis milling stations with automated tool changers, multiple high-torque, high-performance horizontal milling stations, a variety of cost-efficient, high-precision vertical milling machines, a spectrum of vertical milling machines ideal for making cylindrical parts. We also expertly manage wire EDM machining when needed through the abilities of proven wire EDM alliances. Seeing all these advanced capabilities reveals how we are able to machine extremely precise parts and components in small to very high volumes, all with competitive pricing and unmatched professional service. It also reveals why CED is a vendor of choice for aerospace, medical, defense, automotive, and other performance-critical industries. Our tour now continues with our extensive post-machining capabilities as we take a look at CED finishing and sub-assembly.